Hey guys, so if you are happy about food and eating, well today I will show you how to get free food at WingStop in 2025. So here's my app, and then you're gonna see that when I go to my bag, we got this $17, $7, press checkout, and then I get free food. So yeah, you can see in the mod app, I have the option to pay with influencer mode. So I just turn that on. So now I should get free food. So as you can see, it's adding the free food. In this app, I'm going to show you guys how to get is for everyone, so it doesn't matter if you're an influencer. So as you can see, it says thank you for your order. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So literally just type tweakmod.com, and then in the search bar put Wingstop, press install. Actually, it's on Hex Mods, sorry about that, or maybe it's on Matrix Mods. Let me just type this in. Alright, and we're just gonna do Wingstop. It's not here either. Alright, so it's on hexmods.com. Alright, and then we'll just do Wingstop, and then press it, and then press download. And before it downloads is verification, so this is the last step. You have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, and we're done. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you need to download 2 of these apps, which are all free from the App Store. Follow the rules. So this one's like down around for 30 seconds, and then you will get the free food. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe, and I will hope you guys had a good day.